Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I am going to show how to add custom code in Elementor Pro plugin and much more about Elementor custom code. So let's start and make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel for latest Elementor videos. So first of all, in the WordPress dashboard you have to locate for Elementor and then you have to click on Elementor custom code. As I clicked on custom code, you can see you can add new, and you can see the button also there, add new custom code, and I am going to click on it. So after that you have to put the title of the code, and then you have to add the JS code in this section, and your JS code will be look like this, and it will be in the script tag. And as if you want to add the style, then you have to add the CSS style in the style tag, just like that. But for now I am going to add JS code, and you can add your custom JS code in the document.ready function, and then in the location you have to select the location of the code. For example, I want to add the code in the header tag, or I want to add it in the body or end body tag. And you can also add the Google Analytics code in the header tag, just like this in the Elementor Pro plugin. And I select the head tag, and from the right corner I have to select the priority, and this is the priority wise code. For example, you want to put the code in the very first or in the last. For example, I am going to select it 1, then you have to publish it, and in the new screen you have to select this option, entire site or archives or singular pages, and you can include or exclude from there. Also you can add the condition, but for now I need to add this style for the entire website. That's why I am going to select it. This is useful when you want to optimize the website also, because the more custom style the more website will slow. And now I am going to save and close. So as you can see, my custom code is added, and now I am going to view my front page, and now right click and you have to view page source, and after that you can see all the JS and CSS files in this page. And now we have to locate our style. So if I scroll down, then you can see all styles, and here we can see I have added this style. So guys, you can see we have added the style with the priority 1, that's why it is located on the top of the styles. And here you can see these are the include files and these are the styles. So guys, by this way you can add your custom JS CSS styles, and you can also include the files there, JS files, CSS files, and any other things like Google Analytics code. And this is how we use it, and I hope you must find this video useful. Finally, thanks for watching.